Guangzhou Top Medi Company Limited is a specialized supplier of medical equipment. Our products include manual wheelchair, power wheelchair, mobility scooter, sports wheelchair, children wheelchair, hospital bed, shower chair, commode, walking aids, and etc. Our company is certified by SGS for ISO 13485 and has been inspected by TUV and Bureau Veritas. Top Medi invest in research and development and launch new products to meet the healthcare demand of the aged and disabled people. We have 15 patents for our wheelchair from State Intellectual Property Authority. Now, we have exported our products to worldwide market, mainly including European, Australia, South American, Middle East, and Asian countries. Top Medi is proud to be in partnership with some TV show for wheelchair programs. We have achieved strategic partnership with a number of overseas companies and organizations, like hospitals, foundations, the disabled sports teams, and chain pharmacies. Top Medi enjoy reliable reputation among customers. We Top Medi have the ability to develop products independently, and new products will undergo rigorous testing to ensure stable quality before they are launched. In addition to the ISO 13485 quality control system, we also have our own mature quality control procedures and standards. Every wheelchair from Top Medi is a promise for our customer. We warmly welcome customers from worldwide to join hands with us and create a bright future together.
Our company, Top Medi, specializes in medical rehabilitation products. We have been certified by several third parties like SGS, TUV, BV, and NQA. We warmly welcome customers all around the world to join hands with us to have more disabled and aged people. Thank you.